கோஆபரேட் பண்ணா நம்ம பீச் வந்து நம்பர் 1ல வைக்கலாம்.
டெய்லி க்ளீனா வச்சிருக்கீங்க.
ஒர்க்கர்ஸ்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா அவங்க ஒர்க் பண்றதை பார்த்து கொஞ்சம் எல்லாரும் கொஞ்சம் இப்போ ஓரளவுக்கு பரவாயில்ல. அங்கங்க டம்ப் பண்ணாம டஸ்ட்பின்ல கொஞ்சம் அங்கங்க இது பண்றாங்க. பிளஸ் உங்க மாதிரிலாம் எல்லாம் கோஆபரேட் பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் எல்லாம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கே தெரியும்.
On behalf of your Agam, dear Kunjo, I am very proud that you are doing some help desk. You organize this noble service-oriented students group for the supporting the juniors and sharing of materials for medical education and to promote their skills and promote their challenging talents. So I am very happy. Those who are a founder, as a small ignition, a small flame, it began to be a beneficial to everyone. That's important. You are being here as a student. I know that. I am also a parent here, student. Okay. How much the parents are being suffered while they are keeping their kids on doing a higher education, while they are going out of their. I know that. Even though we cannot spare more than that too sometimes. So you students, those who are having more talent and challenges, you are explore your services towards the needy of your own group. That is a small thing, it is selfish. At the same time, every student have to show the way to your juniors as well as to the society. Then only these recycle pen will come again. You have to reach like this. You be not only a participant, you must be an organizer one day. Okay? So that is a patriotism. Do serve without expectation as well as to strengthen your group of society. It will give a good solution and good peaceful livelihood and as well as some establishment for our nation. So the organization which is started by a...
There are 10 of them.
Now it is being adapted by the next coming students. So okay, but a small thought, a small seed, it become a tree now. But it knows when it breaks the mud, while it comes as a small plant coming from a seed. It knows that I can come up as a big tree. I can give a shadow everywhere. I can yield more seeds too. That much of idea, thought, perception, you should possess everyone. That is the way. Your parents never ask you money. Your parents never ask you a wealth or food. They will ask only one thing. My son is there. My daughter is there. She is stable. She is in her own leg. She can stand. She can do wonders. Now she is leading a good position and she is serving to the society. That is a impressive expectation from your parents. That's all. Not she must be well to do. She must own very big hospital. They won't ask. They need. If a passion reaches my daughter, my son, he can preserve his life. That is the expectation of it. That's all. So keep your wherever you go, educate the small kids, even small corporation school. As we said, now we cannot say in Chennai corporation school. It is a highly educated schools. In Chennai, it is a corporation school now. That much shooting things, everything is there. So I am here. I was a social service volunteer. One among your group, student parent. I had a thought. Why don't we support a small service oriented we join? So we will be giving a joint hands to you. That's all. So that's a part of thing. The person is a leader. That's all. He is the head of the organizer group. They are doing more wonders. I know that. Every day I am being watched here. This is a Greater Chennai Corporation work. As well as our police department, what we are doing. We see that so many patrols are here. Even drones are being observed. And second thing, we are providing men on foot patrol. And beach buggies are there. It will on sea area. And also few cops will be posted on the seashore. On group activities or family-oriented or friendly activities, while they are entering into the sea, so we have dangerous curves here. Automatically, the waves will, the seventh wave will take you away. Very first wave it will come, reach your feet. Second wave it will come to the below than that. Third one will go to knee. Fourth one again it will come to the feet. Fifth one will go to the thigh. Sixth one will come to your chest. Seventh automatically will take you away. You cannot escape from the wave. So automatically they will be died. So for preventing them this team. And also Honorable Chief Minister and our Commissioner of Police, Sir Sankar Jiwal IPS and Dr. Sailendra Babu is the DGP of Tamil Nadu. The officials, they organized to form an anti-drowning unit. It contains fire service, local police, coastal security group and the volunteers of fishermen folk. Everybody joined together and any information the standing posted police corps will use to convey. There is one group. Automatically they will reach nearby and they will rescue. In a few seconds a man could die while they are drowning in the sea. So automatically we are risking so far 47 lives lively. A few are died. Now it is recently fully has been no death has been there. That much of care we are taking on the part of our police here. So what we want to suggest, you people not to go venture into the sea and seeing a wave. You don't think that waves are very easy. Anytime it can come. So abundantly it will take you. That much of danger we have to. So what I suggest, we are giving protection to you. As well as now the women doctors are there. Wherever you are going, any help you want to do, anywhere else, just to think. If you have a thought to help, automatically you inform 100 via 100. And also for you, any boys or girls because you are in danger now, you just download a Kavalan. Early it was Kavalan, now Kaval Udavi. Just go in a Play Store, download Kaval Udavi. Yeah, police emblem will be in the cocky background and square logo will be there. Download. They'll ask your number. They'll ask the address of you. You give it. Then they will ask you two very close friend or relative of you, whoever, to be intimated while you are calling me, a police girl. Automatically, 2 persons will be called. Another one more, the police unit will be called. Automatically, they will rush. Automatically, a video record will be behind it. Automatically, it will be recorded. The GPS system will be functioned. If you are not having a network too, automatically it will having it. Within 3 minutes, the police team will rush you to attend it. So many rescue, so many in emergency situation. The Tamil Nadu police reaches the citizens. So we would like to be a friend to you. But your parents, your elders said what they said. When you are a child, if you are not having a food or if you are not sleeping in the night, they used to show the police cops on move. I'll hand over to you on curiosity. If you are asking more, they will beat you mutti mutti. Again they will say, they will become a, what do you mean? They will shoot you. When you are a small young child, they used to make you an impression on us. That is a uniform terrorist. Now I would like to say, I am in front of you. So you avoid wherever you go. This is an agency of public service. Round the clock, 24/7 into 365. You can avail any services through calls. You can seek any assistance at your doorstep. You are ready to do. On night hours, day hours, wherever the vehicle is there, wherever the blue and light flickering lamp is there is a police is there. You just ask, use the police wherever in need. And also wherever you need for others, just put a word we'll have. 9500 99100 is a number. As a SMS. You put a SMS, automatically will come. Greater Chennai Police, Facebook is there. Greater Chennai Police, Twitter is there. You just open it, you just file any complaint. Within an hour, the reply and the with action will come. That is our today's services here. So we are joined together on appreciation of the Greater Chennai Corporation through advisor. Your Agam and Bhumi organization leaders can present this momentum to the supervisor of this.
Deepanjan. Where is Deepanjan?
Okay, thank you.
One second. அங்க போயிட்டாங்களா?